So guys, today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on ZTE Blade A32. So when I have a problem with my headphones or any other Bluetooth gadget, I'm always starting from the simplest way: just switch off and switch on again the Bluetooth connection to restart it. You can also try to restart your phone. Little obvious, I know, but sometimes it really works, so just try it. At the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory has activated power mode, and how to activate it you will find in the manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel, so just check it and be sure that your Bluetooth accessory should be visible for other devices. But it's still not for your phone, open settings, then swipe down and go to the system, expand the advanced and choose the rest options. Select the mobile and Bluetooth, tap on rest settings and look for your device again on the Bluetooth list. In the next step you can also try to add your system, so go to the system update. If you have any updates, just install it and check for your device again. And in the last step, try to check your Bluetooth accessory and your phone on other Bluetooth device to check which one is visible, which one is making problem here. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.